So we're going to put we had tomato sauce left over from last night. We're going to drop that into the bowl. Alright. Pop that baby right in. You got to keep an eye on the chat over there, Diane, for me.
Can they hear me if I talk? Yeah, they can hear me.
In case anybody has any questions or anything.
Can they hear me if I answer them? Yeah, they can hear me.
You're going to open a can of tomato paste.
57 in Santa Rosa? Okay, that's not that cold.
It's
I
not
don't know
that
why
bad.
I'm cold. I just am.
It's not that bad.
Maybe it's because I'm not wearing the same warm jacket I wore last night, which has a lining in it. This one doesn't. Oh, you can hear me, Jody? Good. Hi, Jody.
Turn the knife backwards to get all that goodness out.
Oh, thanks for knowing you can hear me.
Turn your knife blade backwards and you get a perfect cleaning out of the
I know, like
tomato paste, okay?
Give
Give that a preliminary
You want to be
stir.
wearing a hoodie? Oh, Rosie, you have a thermal under your hoodie, right?
Yes, I have a thermal.
So she's-
Yeah. Mozzarella, and we got the Parmesan cheese here.
Let me see what the temperature is at.
Add a tiny little bit of rice wine vinegar. Normally I have red wine vinegar, but rice wine vinegar will do. About 1 teaspoon.
Oh, that's what we bought when I made my coleslaw.
Okay. No, this is a different vinegar.
Oh, it's not the...
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're going to take our time and really combine tomato sauce and tomato paste.
Hi, Kathy.
Okay.
Oh, I use my Fox News voice. Yeah, I have a Fox News voice. I guess I have people who tell me I sound like a newscaster or radio or a
A little bit of
news
garlic. Little garlic in
Yeah,
there.
Susie, I don't wear leggings, but they do have warm ones. I know that.
Italian seasoning, about a
Not warm
tablespoon.
machines. No, I'm wearing fleece pants. These have a fleece lining, and I'm still kind of cold.
Tablespoon and a
Oh,
half
I'll
of
show you.
the 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning
Well, you can't see.
and a teaspoon of salt. A little less than a teaspoon. All
Well,
right.
thank you, Lucretius.
Bring that all together.
Thank you, Mouse Toes.
If you have a whisk, I don't know where my bigger whisk is.
Wow, Shanae, you have 61.4 TikTok views, Rosie, on your latest video.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yep. I look like a snowman.
Your sauce should be thick. It should not be thin. It should be robust. Should be able to easily turn upside down. Okay.
These aren't leggings, Susie. These are fleece. They're joggers. They're actually boys extra large. The boys don't wear leggings usually. Boys' clothes. If you're talking about me with the leggings.
Oh wow, that's perfection right there. Done. That's all you need. Okay.
Australia, because you know they're a day ahead of us. It's already March 4th there.
Yes, I'm going to sing happy birthday to Diane now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Diane. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, Rosie.
You're 33 today.
Yes. Thank you, Brenda. It's tomorrow.
Dude, we're gonna make a few. We're gonna have that sitting on the side for a few onion.
Thank you,
Onions
Lucretius.
compose
Yes, I'm
very well.
Pisces. Thank you, Susie. You're so sweet. Thank you,
Spicy
Sarah.
little
Thank you,
thin bits of
Magda.
onion here.
I'm flying
the
home
same
on
as
my
if you
birthday
do
and
onion
probably gonna
rings.
go out to dinner tomorrow night. Thank you,
3 of those
Teresa.
babies.
Thank you, Lulu. Thank you,
Okay.
Lucky Beans. Thank you, Quirky Girl. Onions and mushrooms on the pizza. Thank you, Music and Me. Thank you, Susie. Thank you, Jody. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Diane's mullet. Oh, Diane's mullet wished me happy yesterday. I don't know too many people. My dad's birthday is March 27th. Not too many people have their birthday in March, I don't think. Oh, Molly's birthday. Happy birthday again, Molly. Thank you, Angus.
Now I started this really early this morning.
Yes, Ken,
I let it
see
rise
it
once,
live.
then I put it in. I really beat it and kneaded
Thank
it
you,
well.
Luminous.
It needs to be very elastic. It's made
My
with
mother's name is
pizza.
Diane. Ah,
flour.
that's cool.
Okay.
Thank you, Rain Dancer. Thank you, Kathy. I'll BS aside. Are you liking TikTok, Rosie? Lucky Beans asked.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Yeah, it exploded. Right. Unreal.
Wow, Rosie, you can throw pizza.
I did this for 6 weeks in summer, but I don't have a high enough ceiling to really do it up.
You worked at a pizza place?
Yeah, yeah.
Was it an Italian restaurant or
No,
mainly
it
pizza?
was called Pappy's Beef and Beer. Come here a minute, Diane. I need your help.
Do I need to take my gloves off?
No, all you need to do is, when I lift this up, put this on the table.
Put this in here on
Yeah.
the table? Okay. Which table? This table?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put that baby right, drop it.
Nice.
Alright, so go entertain the troops.
Thank you, Molly.
Shear a little bit of that dough off the side. Okay.
Happy birthday to your sister on March 5th, Nancy.
Yeah, Diane's birthday tomorrow.
March 4th. I always like having a birthday in March because that's when spring starts. And I am always happy when spring starts and the weather gets warmer.
Okay, so we're just about done. We're gonna let this rise a little bit here. You got a little too much excess, just pull it off. Okay. Just stretch it out and work it around. Okay. So you get the perfect pie. Okay. There it is. Perfect.
Looks good, Rosie.
Perfect
I can see it
shell.
on here.
Right there, okay?
Nice.
So we're going to let that rise a little bit there. It's not going to rise too much because of the cold, but that's a good thing.
Is
Okay?
Bird going to have dinner with us tonight?
I don't think so.
Thank you, Sharon.
Oh, that's a nice looking pie right there.
Yes, it does look awesome, Lucretius. Rose is a great cook.
Cooking is fun.
Not to me. Yeah.
Something's not fun if you don't do it and practice and do it and do
Yeah.
it.
I do like making my coleslaw, though. But that's pretty easy.
Can you tell I worked at a pizza place?
Yes.
Grab a little bit. Place we got a little bit thick. We got to If you got any hole, just patch it up. So there it is. That's what we want. Just like so, okay? This has got to be a really stretchy dough. If it's pulling and it's breaking, then you're not going to have good pizza, okay? You're going to have crumbly dough. And that's a huge no-no when it comes to pizza.
I do like KTLA Morning News. It's pretty cool. With the people that are on it, they joke around with each other.
Yeah, I think All Morning kind of does that, right?
The aeroplane you flew, is it one of those
Thing is,
propeller
put your
planes?
sauce in the
I'm
middle.
not sure. It was they're really small planes.
And then work to the outside.
It might have been a propeller plane. Lapicious, I thought it was either from animal carcasses or animal bones, which a carcass would be a lot of bones, yeah. It grosses me out. But I do take pills that come in capsules only because you can buy vegan capsules, I think, at health food stores or stuff like that, but I don't take the medicine out of my capsules and put them in that. So, and my multivitamins had gelatin in them too. They do sell vegan vitamins, I think. If you go maybe online, you can buy them, but I just buy Centrum, which has gelatin in them, I think.
Okay, there we go.
Fox and Friends? No, I would rather be like on just a network news, and not one with opinions and stuff, with like MAGA, nothing like that. I wouldn't want to be on CNN or MSNBC either. When would they go over the traffic and the weather and all that? Network TV. And they do the local news. Like for me, that would be the LA news, LA area. Robert Lewis said needs more cheese, Rosie.
We're putting on the cheese right now, brother.
Yeah.
We're cheesing this mofo right up. Everything we got. Right there, that's it. Now we're gonna
No, I've never been to Europe. The only other foreign countries I've been to are Mexico and Canada.
This ain't no Chef Boyardee, brother.
No, it's not a stuffed crust, Kenneth. But I love the stuffed crust at Pizza Hut.
Putting a little Parmesan on here.
Parmesan, yeah.
Good now. That is looking good now.
I want to see it up close.
Have a look.
Yum. Yummy.
Put the onions in.
Magda, I like The View. I watch it. I liked it when Barbara Walters was on it, but no longer, unfortunately. And I love Joy Behar on The View. We should come to Brittany with lots of money, brother. Scottish Steve, scary things. I don't like scary movies. I don't think I would like haunted buildings.
Good shake of Italian seasoning. Okay, a little shake of oil.
You saw Behar went down
To
one.
help that fry a little bit there. Okay.
I haven't been watching The View a lot. I only watch it once in a while, but I do enjoy Joy Behar. I think she looks great for her age, too. I think she's in her late 70s. Yum. Rosie.
in we go. Onto the stone. Okay, give me 10 minutes initially.
You want me to do 10 now?
10 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
I'll take an initial check at 10 minutes here.
Cancel the 30 minutes.
Yep, cancel the 30 minutes. That stone got superheated really fast, so. All right, let's see how that goes. About the most we're going to get out of that is about 500 degrees tonight. Oh yeah, look at that
So,
baby
Patricia
cooking up.
asks-
Woo! We got
Patricia
time
asks
to
you, in the indoor oven, how long would it take a pizza?
If I could get up to, I cook about 800 degrees. It would take me about 10 to 15 minutes. This is looking beautiful.
It's really good.
Doesn't that look good?
Yes.
Got nice char on
Oh,
there.
it smells so good.
That smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get a couple plates in the pizza wheel, okay? The gas is off.
Couple plates for out
The
inside.
pizza wheel and that silver bowl in there, the wheel that cuts the pizza. If you don't know what it is,
Oh, you mean that thing you roll?
yeah, that's it.
Where
Yeah,
do I get it?
it's in the silver bowl by the sink.
Oh, okay.
And a couple plates. Look at that. Man, that looks good.
Rosie,
Man.
you got 2 of them. Do you care which one?
Just, I don't care which one. Just, we got to work rapidly here. Where are the plates?
Oh, plates?
Plates, yeah.
How many, 2?
Yeah, we're going to need 2 plates and some napkins. Yeah, they're practicing up the street there. That's going to be our thumbnail tonight, Jody. That dough rose because I started that and then refrigerated it after the first rise. What do you think, June? I'm waiting for Jody to give me the all clear. Hey, proof of the pudding is in the tasting here. We're going to let Diane be the judge.
Okay.
Have a little bit of that. Mmm, crunchy.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Delicious. Really good.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
What do you think? Oh. That turned out so darn. It's not floppy and crappy because the sauce can't be all wet.
Mm.
Mm.
Your homemade pizza sauce is so good.
Glad you like it. Diane is a vegetarian, so we don't have pepperoni on top tonight.
Mm.
How would you rate that up? Hmm? For making it on a
10.
barbecue grill?
A 10.
Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Huh? Mm. Please make the sauce the way I made it. You don't want it all sloppy and wet, that it causes the dough to go weak, okay? Mm. What a bloody delightful dinner tonight.
How much do you think that cost you in total to make? Much less than a pizza you get at a restaurant?
We only cheese, Parmesan, we probably about $3 to $4 to
Yeah,
make this.
much better than a 7-Eleven pizza, I'm sure, which is $5.
And an artisan pizza place would charge you big money
Big
for a
money.
pizza like this.
Big
Yeah.
money.
Yeah.